Hey there! In Konnector, you can add custom fields to your message drafts, allowing you to send personalized messages to all your leads. Let's see how. In your Konnector account, first go to the Leads tab and then click on Add Lead List. Go to Upload CSV, select the LinkedIn account you want to create the lead list on, enter the lead list name, and then import the CSV file. This CSV file includes many alternative messages that can be sent to different leads within a campaign. Click on Proceed. Now map the custom fields to the corresponding messages. For example, first name to first name, last name to last name, custom field 1 to message 1, custom field 2 to message 2, and so on. Custom field 1 will receive the specific message assigned to the respective custom field. Click on Confirm Mapping. When you enter custom field 1 in your message draft, the corresponding message will be sent automatically. Click on Submit. You will see that a lead list named Lead List CSV has been created in your lead list. Then, when you want to create a new campaign, while assigning the leads, select all the leads of that particular lead list. In your campaign flow, when you enter a LinkedIn message, simply enter Hi First Name and then enter custom field 1. The system will automatically retrieve custom field 1 from the CSV file and the associated message will be sent to all the leads. If you want to send a message to, enter custom field 2 instead. You can also add the syntax by clicking on More as well, and you can add any syntax in your message draft, be it custom field 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. You can add extra text as well as per your requirement. Make sure that the text you are entering here must be having 7500 characters only. A fallback message will always be sent when any of your placeholders are not found for a lead in a campaign. Click on Save. Similarly, you can add custom field in InMail and open InMail. Just add the similar syntax in your body and subject. A fallback message will always be sent in case a placeholder is not there for a lead. This allows you to personalize messages to all your leads in the campaign. Thank you.